Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to unbox a Seiko King Samurai SRPE33K1. And before we start the unboxing, if you're still new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to give some support. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. By the way, this is the discontinued model. And I'm so lucky to reorder a new. Okay, it's the warranty card, instruction panel. This is Save the Ocean version for spec. Black and blue box. The model reference number SRPE33K1. And the movement is 4R35. Here you go. The dial looks so beautiful. This is the older model, which is discontinued model for now. And this, the dark Manta Ray, which is the latest model with the rubber strap. Okay, which one do you prefer? Both looks great for me. Okay, the diameter is the same as the new one, which is the 43.8 mm, and the thickness is 12.8 mm. The watch comes with the ceramic bezel, sapphire crystal glass, cyclops here, with the date in 3 o'clock, and 3 Manta Rays inside the ocean off the dial. The bezel is unidirectional rotation. You need to unscrew those, adjust the setting. We can manual winding, or this is automatic one. Right. Let me show you the 3 Manta Rays here. 1, 2, 3. The latest version also got 3 Manta Rays, but 1 in the left and 2 on the right hand side. Both looks similar and very pretty as well. Right? Let's go back. Okay, this model, the previous one comes with the stainless steel with trifold and secure lock. Also a rubber the extender. This is useful when you go to diving. right? back case engraved with the special edition here. This is the side profile. This is how it looks on the wrist. My wrist is 6.5 inch. Right, let's check the room salt. This is the loom from Seiko Lumibrite, and it's never disappointing. Very good and bright. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in next video. Thank you.